Sauté onions and garlic. Add carrots or use your favorite vegetables if desired. Mushrooms. Bell peppers and broccoli. Season with salt and pepper if desired. Heat the McNuggets in the toaster oven while sautéing the veggies. Add the crispy McNuggets. Then add Panda Express sweet chili sauce or use your favorite sauce. I slice the nuggets into bite-sized pieces after heating them up. Cook until the sauce is heated through. Add soy sauce if desired. Serve with rice or noodles. Garnish with sesame seeds or green onions if desired. This is really good. It's like a takeout from a Chinese restaurant. Thank you for watching.